This brand is from Heat Controller, which is a part of Mars, but they are only sold through authorized dealers. The RADS models are cool-only window air conditioners that are available in 9 sizes from 5,000 to 28,000 BTU and have a 12.1 EER efficiency rating. They are Wi-Fi enabled, so they can be controlled by a smartphone and use 115-volt power for flexibility in installation. The REG series models have a 10.9 EER efficiency rating and electric heating. They use 208/230-volt power and are rather loud with a sound rating of 55 decibels. The RAH series offers heat pumps, but the units automatically switch to electric heat when the outdoor temperature is 40 F. They have a rather low 9.9 EER efficiency and are relatively loud with a sound level roughly equivalent to a washing machine. The CD series offers 115-volt units for casement windows, and they are available in 2 sizes, 8 or 10,000 BTU. The brand uses environmentally friendly 32 refrigerant, but their guarantee is very minimal and their dealer network is very limited. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.